For geometric sequences, there is a ratio between the terms that is constant, so it must multiply or divide by the same number every time. To find the ratio, the easiest way to do this is to take the second term divided by the first term. So in example 1a, to find the common ratio, we're going to take the second term, which is 3, divided by the first term. We can simplify this to 1/5. And then to find the next two terms, we're going to multiply by 1/5. 3/5 times 1/5 is 3/25. To find the next term, I'll multiply by 1/5 again. And we get 3/125. For b, to find the ratio, I'm going to take the second term, -4, divided by the first term, 8. When we simplify, we get -1/2. To find the terms, we're going to take -1 times -1/2. And the next term is +1/2. Then, to find the next term, take 1/2 times -1/2, -1/4. So those are the next two terms in the sequence. For example 2, it asks us to find the indicated term. So we're going to use the geometric sequences formula, which is given to you on your final exam, to find the term. Since it wants to find A8, we take the first term, 36. Now we have to find the ratio. In order to find the ratio, do the second term divided by the first term. So 18 divided by 36 simplifies to 1/2. 1/2. And then we're going to raise it to the n, or since we're finding the 8th term, it's 8 minus 1. You can put this in your calculator, and then make sure you put it into a fraction, and you get 9/32. For b, we want to find A7. The first term is 1/25. I'm putting it in parentheses, so you remember to put parentheses in your calculator. Then we need to find the ratio. The ratio is the first term divided by the second term divided by the first term. Keep, change, flip, or make sure you use parentheses in your calculator. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So my ratio is 5, n is 7 minus 1. We'll put this in our calculator and get that the seventh term is 6/25. For the next part, we're going to write the recursive and the explicit formula for the examples. So if you look on your notes from 11.1, the recursive formula for a geometric is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times the ratio, which in example A was 1/2. For B, a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times the ratio, which was 5. You can also write it with the ratio in front of a sub n minus 1, if that helps. To write the explicit, we're using the formula at the top of the page, the one that's given to you on your final. A sub n equals A1, which was 36, the ratio, which is 1/2, raised to the n minus 1. No need to simplify. Remember, exponents come before multiplication, so I can't do anything here. For b, a sub n equals the first term, which was 1/25, times the ratio of 5 raised to the n minus 1.